Welcome to my SharePoint label. In this label, I will show you how to creating business data actions and external data columns in SharePoint 2016. Previous label, I have created a external list, just this outlist. This list is called the SQL Server. I show you. I called this is my SQL Server. I have two VM. One is DC, another is the SharePoint server, SharePoint 2016 server. And I install SQL Server. SQL Server, I create a database named DB1 and create a simple table named T1. And I now select can see there is some records, just two columns, SID, sname, SID, sname. There have five records. I close it. And in my Chrome, I click outlist. How this outlist I have created? Just see my previous video. The video's name is SharePoint 26 Use BCS to create external list. Just see this video. And today I will, in this base, I will create business data action. And this is my outlist. I call it very slowly. Okay. And when I click this is action. This is action I have done before, but I have deleted. There you catch. I will do another. I will search on Google. Demo it. And how to do it? When you have a external list, you can open SharePoint central admin, just this central admin, SharePoint central admin. Open it. I have opened it. And manage service application. And click business data connectivity service. And in this place, you can see you have created the external content type. And click this content type, external content type, in. And in this, I can create action. Now I have deleted all action I have created before, and add. This is action. Create add. You can add action. I will create a Google search. On Google. Google. I can can't open it, but I can test and navigate to this URL. Google search Q equal parameter len 0 and launching at a new browse. Yes. Add parameter. This parameter 0 parameter. Just I can select from the column. I have two columns, SID, sname, and I select the second column as a parameter to search. And icon, I have no icon. And if this default action, and OK. So I create action search on Google, so I can demo it. When I refresh the page, I can see search on Google. When you click the search on Google, you will open a new V table, and the URL will be I have set. But I now can't access to Google, so I just demo it. Search on. I must do this list again. I can delete this list and delete. That has catch. I have do it and delete it and create it again. Add an app. And select the external outlist. Named outlist2. Select the X content IP, DB1, secure DB1. OK. Create. Outlist2. Search on Google. Now click. There will redirect to the Google. But I can't access to Google, so I do another. I will add another action. Search on Bing. Bing I can access. So I demo Bing. http bing.com search parameter 0 and yes, add. Also search the sname and default action. Now I have two actions, so I go to the Chrome and refresh this page and click refresh. Can't. Okay. Add an app. So you must create the action first, then create the outlist. Else the outlist will not show the action. But if you have one action, you can do it. I create another outlist3. Just select DB1. Create outlist3, and there is search on Bing, search on Google. I click search on Bing. We'll search for search on Bing. No, not success, because my parameters can't pass to it. I will see it bin and edit search parameter link seat q equal I have right arrow q equal and okay. And refresh and search on bin. I must add a new app. So outlist must, if you want to define external action, you must first define the external action and external list outlist 4. Great. Outlist 4 and search for Jack. This Jack is okay. And search for Alice. And this is Alice. 这有一些 blank. Okay. This is the external business data action. How to create business action. Another is 3. I will demo external data column. How to use external data column? Just I have an outer list. I can in this here to central maintain the out data, and I can use it in anywhere in SharePoint document library and other place to use it. I will show it. I will create 2 lists. Add an app SharePoint list list test 1 list test 1 and just 1 column title. I will add a create column, create external data column, and named sname out from out and external data, and select from my external content IP and select the sname. Display the action menu, link column. You can also select all the other column in the outer data. This I will not need to select. I just need sname. So click OK. And when I new item in this test 1, sname out, I can select from my out list. I select Alice. Okay, Alice, just save. Another item, test 2. I select from the Bob. Okay, save. This is SharePoint list 1. I will create create another list test2, add an app, custom list test2. And in this list, I also include create column. This is sname out external data, and select my external content type and select sname and OK. And I add test3 and I select Alice. OK. Now I modify the Alice. You can see list 2, list 2, list 1 also include Alice. I can modify Alice in this. I can in this outlist. I can central modify, maintain the value. I can edit Alice and Alice test. Save. You can see I have modified this. Then in list test2, I will refresh. Refresh neutral. Okay. Alice close. Just when you edit, you will see the has changed, but there is some bug. View, you can't see the you must also this is neutral. You must so out external list we use like we can compare to the management database. MMS. And this I will say it next time. Okay. This is the external list usage. This is today's content. Thank you for watching.